While it's been widely discussed that UFOs are of an alien nature, we are starting to realize that many of these may also be man-made.
The SR-71 Blackbird stands as the fastest operational military aircraft in history, boasting a top speed that surpassed Mach 3. Today, Lockheed Martin is actively developing a successor for this iconic aircraft under the SR-72 project. This new aircraft utilizes ramjet propulsion technology with the aim of achieving and maintaining hypersonic speeds, which are defined as speeds exceeding Mach 5. Up until now, only missiles have achieved such velocities. However, recent revelations from the US military have unveiled an aircraft that seems to defy the laws of physics, one that has harnessed anti-gravity capabilities. But what is this mysterious aircraft, and what extraordinary capabilities does it possess? Let's delve into the details. The Air Force's secretive test facility located in Groom Lake, Nevada, famously known as Area 51, has been a sanctuary for various experimental aircraft that the Pentagon prefers to keep hidden from public view. Area 51 has emerged as a potentially ideal location for testing new hypersonic glide vehicles, which are currently receiving substantial research investments from the Pentagon. These hypersonic weapons combine the remarkable speed of ballistic missiles with the low profile, more difficult to detect flight path characteristics of cruise missiles. Despite the enduring fascination with fanciful tales of extraterrestrial spacecraft, as evident in recent internet memes, there is no doubt that the genuine activities occurring at Groom Lake hold significant interest. This curiosity is so profound that in April 2019, Russia deployed one of its Tu-154M open skies surveillance aircraft, authorized by international treaties, to conduct reconnaissance over the base. Area 51 has seen significant expansion since its early days as a small remote landing field used for testing the Lockheed U-2 spy plane in 1955. It is now encompassed by a 23 by 25 mile restricted airspace perimeter within the larger 4,500 square mile Nevada training and test range. Nearby bases include Nellis Air Force Base and the Tonopah Test Range, the latter of which has also hosted numerous Black Project programs. While the F-117 stealth fighter has officially been retired from Air Force service, photographic evidence and video footage suggests that one or two of these stealth jets continue to operate over Area 51, potentially for testing purposes such as sensors and air-to-air tactics against other stealth aircraft. However, amidst the secrecy of Area 51, there lies something even more enigmatic: the legendary Black Triangle UFO, also known as TR-3B. Recently, a Pentagon whistleblower made claims about the recovery of non-human craft by the United States and other nations, leading to rumors about a secret fleet of large black triangle-shaped aircraft known as the TR-3B Black Manta among conspiracy theorists. While its predecessor, the TR-3A, was a relatively grounded story about a stealthy reconnaissance platform designed to complement the F-117, the TR-3B's narrative takes a much stranger turn. It is said to be powered by a reverse-engineered anti-gravity drive, allegedly retrieved from a crashed alien spacecraft. The TR-3B becomes an intersection point between reports of unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, displaying seemingly impossible maneuvers, and accounts of real aircraft. Numerous claims about the TR-3B's anti-gravity drive can be found across the internet, many of which involve using nuclear power to rotate highly pressurized mercury, creating plasma and subsequently generating a gravitational field. The TR-3B's development is often tied to Operation Paperclip, a post-World War II program that brought more than 1,500 German scientists and engineers to the United States to work on various defense technologies. Myths surrounding advanced Nazi technologies emerged in the years following the war. And as stories about this anti-gravity platform evolved over time, it became intertwined with claims of Wunderwaffe, or wonder weapons. The primary mystery surrounding this aircraft lies in its power source. It is rumored to utilize a high-pressure mercury-based system propelled by nuclear energy. This setup generates plasma, creating an almost complete anti-gravity field around the craft, reducing its weight by a staggering 89%. Some experts have provided detailed explanations of this setup, which includes a magnetic field disruptor, a circular plasma-filled accelerator ring, This technology was believed to far surpass anything imaginable at the time. Operating at a frigid temperature of 150 Kelvin, the TR-3B's mercury-based plasma was pressurized to a staggering 250,000 atmospheres. The plasma was then accelerated to 50,000 revolutions per minute, resulting in a superconducting plasma capable of manipulating gravity. For maneuvering, the Black Manta appeared to defy conventional physics. The TR-3B was equipped with conventional thrusters at both ends, allowing it to swiftly maneuver in 3 dimensions at speeds of up to Mach 9. While some claims about the TR-3B may seem far-fetched, there is indeed evidence supporting certain elements of these claims. For instance, an anti-gravity drive, as described by believers, which powers the TR-3B, would necessitate an immense power source, beyond what current aviation engines can produce. Interestingly, Lockheed Martin holds a patent for containerized cold fusion reactors that they claim could be compact enough to fit inside the fuselage of an F-16. However, the story goes deeper. The most extreme, seemingly unbelievable aspects of the TR-3B's capabilities could potentially be explained by the work of an aerospace engineer who is purportedly employed by the US Space Force. In 2020, the US Navy submitted a series of remarkably unconventional patents related to technologies that resemble those mentioned in claims about the TR-3B. These patents encompass a wide range of subjects, from gravitational wave generators to space-time modification weaponry, and they all share a common thread: Dr. Salvatore Cesar Pais. Dr. Salvatore Cesar Pais has an extensive background in the aerospace field, as outlined in his official biography. His career includes stints as a NASA Graduate Research Fellow, an advanced concepts analyst with Northrop Grumman, the same company rumoured to be involved with the TR-3B, work with the Department of the Navy Strategic Systems Program, and more recently, reportedly being associated with the US Space Force. It has been confirmed that the US Navy has allocated at least $466,000 to support Dr. Pais's work since 2017. A significant portion of this work has become public knowledge through the release of 3 patents filed by the Navy. The first of these patents, titled Craft Using an Inertial Mass Reduction Device, was granted in 2016. One of the most intriguing aspects of Dr. Pais's patents is their public availability. The US military typically has the option to file patents that remain classified under the Invention Secrecy Act of 1951. However, these patents associated with Dr. Pais's work are accessible to the public. This raises questions about the true nature and purpose of these patents, especially given their seemingly advanced and unconventional nature. Furthermore, the existence of these patents doesn't explain how the United States allegedly possessed this advanced technology, like the TR-3B, as far back as the 1990s. There is no concrete evidence to suggest that these patents have been translated into physical technology, even up to the present day. Some proponents of these ideas argue that the United States has been researching such systems for decades and may be using patents as a preemptive measure against foreign programs attempting to reverse engineer unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, like China, which is believed to be on the verge of significant breakthroughs or potential public disclosures. The TR-3B isn't the only secretive military aircraft program in existence. The NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance program, is another example. While the F-22 Raptor is often regarded as the world's most capable air superiority fighter, its dwindling numbers, with fewer than 150 combat-ready aircraft remaining, pose a significant challenge. In response, the US Air Force initiated the NGAD program to develop the next generation of air dominance platforms. The NGAD program distinguishes itself from other efforts to develop warplanes by focusing on an entire family of systems rather than a single aircraft. This family of systems encompasses various airframes and includes support drones that will operate alongside crewed fighter aircraft. While its primary focus is air combat to achieve air dominance, the NGAD program also incorporates multi-role capabilities, allowing for air-to-ground engagements when necessary. NGAD intends to align with current aviation trends, particularly in the areas of cockpit automation and data fusion. These advancements aim to reduce the burden on pilots by automating routine or complex flight control tasks, enabling them to concentrate on combat operations, including directing support drones to engage air or surface targets on behalf of the fighter. Although not officially confirmed, it is anticipated that the NGAD fighter will incorporate adaptive cycle engines, which offer increased thrust, enhanced fuel efficiency, improved thermal management, and greater energy production for advanced systems such as directed energy weapons. Additionally, there is the Mayhem program, a highly secretive initiative by the US Air Force aimed at developing a hypersonic stealth drone. This project could potentially bring the SR-72, Lockheed Martin's successor to the Mach 3.5 capable SR-71 Blackbird, to realization. Despite being categorized among the numerous hypersonic weapon programs funded by the Pentagon, the Mayhem program, overseen by the Air Force Research Laboratory, appears to be working on a dual-cycle scramjet propulsion system that extends beyond missiles. Although frequently labelled as a missile program, a closer examination of the program's requests for information (ROIs) suggests that Mayhem is likely focused on developing an uncrewed, reusable hypersonic drone platform capable of executing two specific mission types: strike operations and intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. The goal is to create a turbine-based scramjet system that can function effectively across all airspeeds, from subsonic to supersonic and ultimately hypersonic. Unlike current ramjet and scramjet systems that only become reliable at extremely high speeds, often requiring the use of rockets to reach those velocities, Mayhem aims to develop a more versatile propulsion system. This concept shares similarities with Lockheed Martin's long-discussed SR-72, which is designed to succeed the SR-71 Blackbird and operate at hypersonic speeds. A hypersonic strike and ISR platform could have profound strategic implications, offering the capability to deliver cost-effective non-hypersonic ordnance to targets at speeds exceeding Mach 5 and enabling rapid intelligence gathering, even in areas with compromised satellite coverage. While much attention is directed toward the development of hypersonic missiles by various nations, it appears that the US Air Force is quietly working on achieving supremacy in the field of hypersonic aircraft, potentially gaining an advantage before the rest of the world even realizes the race has begun. Now, we'd love to hear your opinions on these covert military projects. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to click that subscribe button to stay updated with more intriguing content. Thank you for tuning in.